wanted to talk to the owner of the biggest hamburger chain in the world, Moscow branch. We won't mention it for legal reasons.
Я не понимаю, я ничего не понимаю.
Exactly. I grew it myself. Put someone who speaks English. Get the short order chef.
Hello.
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 You are the short order chef, are you?
I'm Gleb Losев.
Oh, hello, Gled.
Hello. I make.
Yes, say it. Hamburgers. I make hamburgers.
Yes.
Are you all right for Levi's and Beatles records?
Beatles record.
Yes, I understand you were a bit desperate for those in the 60s. I wonder if that's still the case.
Oh, please send me.
Send you some Beatles records, all right.
Where do you calling?
Oh, I'm phoning from a pinprick somewhere in Western Europe called Britain. Do you remember a friend of mine, Mr. McLean and Mr. Burgess?
No, I don't know.
They used to sit at the back of your restaurant. Do you remember seeing them as you maybe trolled out there in your pinafore and gave them a meaty bender?
No, I don't remember.
You don't remember them. They were buggers.
What?
They bugged people. And I wondered if you'd be interested in an advertising slogan I've come up with. It goes like this. What is the difference between a Moscow hamburger and Sputnik 2?
No, I don't know.
I'll tell you. You can be certain there was a dog in Sputnik 2. Hello? Miserable git.